Hi guys, welcome to my channel. For those who are new, my name is Helena Kargaman. This tutorial is about how to crochet Florina jumper from row 19 to row 24 included. I will explain how to calculate increases and how to start and finish the round. In the pattern diagram, you can see an indication on row 19, increase evenly according to your size. Looking at the PDF file, you can see that increases should be made into double crochet UK terms or single crochet US terms. In this example, we are going to look at size SM. 156 indicates how many of the same stitches you have had last time you crocheted into every stitch. It was on row 14 and we have to increase by 49 stitches. Altogether 205 stitches to complete this row. The size SM will have 26 flowers, 26 times 6, why 6, because you have to work 3 and 3 stitches per flower and insert your increases between 6 stitches. Now we have to add 49 stitches. I will use 48 because it's divisible by 2 and add 1 stitch when all calculation has been done. 48 divided by 2 equals 24, but we have only 26 flowers. 26 plus 26 equals 52. 52 minus 48 equals 4. And 4 minus 1 will be 3, as it means you have to mark with stitch markers 3 places, and you have to work 2 stitches into unmarked places, and in 3 places you will have to increase just by 1 stitch. Just a reminder, this is size SM and the other sizes have a different amount of stitches and increases. Please double check your numbers of stitches and increases you have to make. To begin round number 19, chain 3 and work 3 times treble crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns, around 4 chain stitches. Please note I work only 2 treble crochet UK turns, so 2 double crochet US turns around first 4 chain stitches. The pattern has been modified and you have to work 3 treble crochet UK turns or 3 double crochet US turns around every 4 chain stitches. After you complete your first 3 stitches, work 2 times treble crochet UK turns, so 2 times double crochet US turns into a stitch, and work again 3 treble crochet UK turns, so 3 double crochet US turns around 4 chain stitches. Skipping a 12 stitch, increases only done on top of the flower, and now we have to work 3 times treble crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns. Increase again by working 2 times treble crochet UK turns or 2 times double crochet US turns into a stitch. Work 3 times treble crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns around 4 chain stitches again, and repeat the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after you crocheted your last 3 treble crochet UK turns, so 3 double crochet US turns, insert a hook into a 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of the round and finish with the slip stitch. To begin round 20, chain 3 and turn your work, or turn your work in chain 3, and work 1 treble crochet UK turn, so 1 double crochet US turns into every stitch. When you come to the end, finish with the slip stitch into a 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of the round. To begin round 21, chain 3 and turn your work. I will have to use a different example for a few rows because in my original work the work started and ended a little bit different. The pattern has been modified, and this is the new pattern. After you chain your 3 stitches, skip 1 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 1 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into the same stitch, skip 2 and work once again 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into a stitch, chain 1 and work once again 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns into the same stitch, skip 2 and repeat the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after you have completed your last 2 treble crochet UK turns or 2 double crochet US turns into a stitch, skip 1 and finish with the slip stitch into a 3rd chain stitch at the beginning of the round. In this part I will cover round 22 and 23 because they are very similar. To begin the round, chain 3 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns around 1 chain stitch, chain 1 and work 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turns around the same 1 chain stitch. When you come to the end of the round, after your last 2 sets of 2, finish with the slip stitch into a 3rd chain stitch. To begin round 24, chain 3 and turn your work and work 3 times treble crochet UK turns, so 3 times double crochet US turns around 1 chain stitch, and repeat the pattern to the end of the round. When you come to the end of the round, after you completed your last 1 treble crochet UK turns or 1 double crochet US turn stitch, insert your hook into a 3rd chain stitch and finish with the slip stitch. The part 3 of this project has come to the end. Thank you for watching. I'm looking forward to working with you on the following tutorials for those who are new to my channel. If you'd like to see more videos in the future, please subscribe to be notified when I add a new video. Enjoy your day or evening, and I will see you soon.